Lead2List allows you to connect with any Facebook page in a matter of seconds. You can run Facebook lead gen ads and send leads directly into your autoresponder. Lead2List gives one-click sign-up option. Your prospects never has to fill any information. All they need to do is click the ad. No one even has to type or their email it. Lead2List works for every niche. Facebook has your audience, no matter what you're promoting. With Lead2List you can go on, target your audience and grab those leads. With Lead2List you can send automatic welcome message that helps you engage the customer and deliver your bonuses or offers instantly. Your friend Han Fan, the internet man in this video, gives you an honest Lead2List review and tells you just why you must get your exclusive copy now. Lead2List review and key features: connect with any Facebook page in a matter of seconds. Run Facebook lead gen ads and send leads directly into your autoresponder. Single setup, runs forever. Leads keep pouring in without any maintenance. Send welcome emails containing access or other details to anyone who signs up. 100% accurate Facebook emails. You can virtually guarantee this is the user's main account. Single-click signup. Your prospect never has to fill any information. Connect multiple Facebook pages and multiple autoresponders. Fresh leads, fresh customers, fresh traffic every day. Bring fresh responsive leads to your autoresponder lists every day and sell to them again and again. Tap into the most powerful lead source on the web, Facebook. Watch fresh leads coming to you every day. Single-click sign-up reduces resistance and gives you a bigger bang for your investment every time. Automatic welcome message helps you engage the customer and deliver your bonuses or offer instantly. Switch on and forget technology brings you leads without you having to work every day. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Will this work with any business? Yes, if your business has customers you can benefit from this system. It brings customer to your autoresponders directly and gives you the power to mail them. Do I have to be technical to use this? No, it's made to be simple. You can just set it up once and then leave it to work on its own. We've got training for every step. Will it be improved? Yes, we always maintain and grow our software. You can look forward to increased functionality and support for more autoresponders and features as we go. Will it work on my Mac? Yes, this is a web-based software and will work on PC and Mac and also your smartphone.